Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Students, in my last lecture we have seen exercise point 4.1, question number 1 and 2 completed there. Now today we are going to continue question number 3 of this exercise. The question is given, express the following percentage as ratios in the reduced form. Means in the shorted form we have to find the given ratio. The question number 1 of 3, we are given 75 is to 100. 75 is to 100 we are given. See very well, we'll write first in the fraction form this one, 75 upon 100. Now take the table of 25, 25 on the 25, 25 3 is a 75, 25 4 is a 100. You will get 3 upon 4. Means 3 is to 4. It's your answer. The question number 1 of 3rd, here we have completed there. See very well everyone. Now 2. Question number 2 of this question. The question number 2. 44 is to 100. Take in the fraction form, 44 upon 100. Now take the division. See 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8 to carry, 4 5 is 20. This is the simplest form. 11 upon 25 is your answer. This is your answer. 11 is to 25. Everyone getting it? See the third one. 6.25% means 6.25 upon percentage means 100. Out of 100 we are given. See very well, now we'll cancel for the decimal from numerator and take the 20 downside. You will get here 625 divided by 1000. Now table of 25. See 25, 25 is a 625 is the square of 25. 25 4 is a 100. Take the down 0 as it is. You will have here 25 upon 40. 5 5 is a 25. 5 is a 40. You will get here 5 by 8. Means 5 is to 8 is your answer. Okay, got it everyone? I think you can do the next 4th one and the 5th one. Now I am going to explain 4th one. Question number 4th one. See the question number 4th one very well. What we have, we are given question number 4th one. 3 person can build a small house in 8 days. 3 person can complete a house to build that one in 8 days. To build the same house in 6 days, how many person are required? Here we are given 3 person can complete the work in 8 days. And how many persons required? We don't know how many persons are there. Suppose there are X person, which these all X person will complete the work in 6 days. Both comparison is given. So you will write like this, 3 person means 3 into 8 days. They will complete the complete task of work, and X into 6 days. Like this you will have the solution frame like this equation, 3 into 8 and X into 6. 3 8 is 24 and X 6 will divide the left side, X will be right side as it is. 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. X is equal to 4. X we have taken what? The number of X person. Number of X person will complete the work in 6 days. Now we got the X here 4, so we can write the as answer the 4 person will complete that work in 6 days. Okay, everyone got this one? Now for the question number 5, continue. Question number 5. See everyone, question number 5. See the question number 5. Convert the following ratios into the percentage. For the question number 5, first one, we are given 15:25. Now see very well, we'll write in the fraction form this one, 15/25. For the percentage, the denominator should be the 100. So we'll convert the 25 into the 100 by multiplication. See like this. Now here 25 4s are 100. Same thing with the numerator will be there. For the denominator, whatever we are going to apply with the any number, same number will apply with the numerator. We are applying, multiply the 4 with the denominator, 25 4s are 100, to get the 100 means converting for the percentage. So same thing will apply in the numerator. You will get here 25 4s are 100, 15 4s are 60, means you will get here 60%. 60 out upon 100 means 60%. Now next one, see very well, 47:50 means 47 upon 50 multiply by 2, 52s are 100. Same thing with the numerator. Now see here, 52s are 100 you will get here. Now 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, plus 1 9, 94 upon 100 means 94%. Got everyone? Now see the fourth one very well, 546 upon 600. Here we are given in denominator more than 100, so we'll reduce it to get the 100 downside, means 600. 546 upon 600. Now divided by 6, 6 1s are 6, 0 0 as it is. 6 9s are 54, 6 1s are 6. Now we got here 91 upon 100 means 91%. Got it everyone? You can do the remaining question very well. Now for the question number 6 1, see very well, here given the word problem, the ratio of ages of Abha and her mother. Ratio of Abha and mother, Abha and mother, we are given what we have, 2:5, which is in reduced form. Ratio of Abha and mother we are given 2:5. Also at the time of Abha's birth, her mother age was 27 years. Find the present ages of Abha and mother. See very well, we know we are given the both the ages Abha and mother given 2:5. So we'll suppose here, let the present age of Abha be 2 means 2x and mother age be 5x. Now you see us in short example. See, suppose age of son is 10 years and mother age is 40 years. Son age is 10 and mother age is 40 years. At the time of birth of son, what was the age of mother? What we have to do? You will subtract the age of son from the mother, means 40 minus 10, you will get 30. This is the age of mother at which time? At the birth time. See here we are given at the time of birth, Abha's birth, age given. Which is the age given? Mother's age given 27 years. So we will subtract the Abha from the mother, 5x minus 2x. You will get the 27 we are given. 5x minus 2x you will get 3x. 27 it will be as it is. X is equal to 27 divided by 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 9 the 7, 3 9 the 27. You will get the value of x. X is equal to 9. We got here. Therefore, the present age of Abha is equal to 2x. 2x means 2 into 9. 2 9 the 18 years. And the present age of mother, it is the 5x, means 5 into 9, 5 9s are 45 years. Now we got the year age of Abha and mother. The age of Abha is 18 years and age of mother is 45 years. Okay students, we'll see next question next time in my next lecture. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.